Hello and thank you for choosing Bellinger. We hope that the following video is informative. It's critical when diagnosing an issue to get some information first. This can be done by gathering information from the fault code screen, the alarm screen, and also the capture screen. If you need any further information, contact our parts and/or technical support departments. Alright, a few key things about your triple foam pods would be this check valve that's housing the water and chemical out to your triple foam pod. The check valve is directional and must be placed so that the water and chemical are going into the actual fitting going into the triple foam pod. Another thing would be the water and chemical must be going into these top black fittings and not the bottom fittings. These bottom fittings are for air. As you can see in the bottom of this fitting, in the housing, it is wide open for water and chemical. With the air fittings, they are blocked off. It's a small check valve. Inside is a small BB that prevents any water or chemical from going back out into your airline. Now for maintenance, there's going to be two Allen head screws on each side of the bottom of this triple foam pod. Once these are taken out, the actual pod arm should be able to work its way out. And each one of these foam pods should be able to pull out of its housing. Now you're going to want to be careful because there is a mesh screen that prevents debris from going out, and also there's two O-rings that need to be greased in order to be put back in. Now inside this housing, there's a chore boy material that can get clogged up. You're going to want to remove this material, like so, and wash it out with hot water. Make sure there's no debris, wax, triple foam buildup, anything like that. Once it's thoroughly cleaned, you can do it to each one of the pods. You'll just insert it back into the tube of the triple foam pod and make sure it's completely packed in there. There's going to be one on each side, one on this side and one on this side. After all three of them are nice and clean, you'll just be reinstalling it. Make sure these are nice and greased. Also make sure the mesh screen is in there before installation. Once that's done, you can put it back into the housing. Gently push it back in. Screws are put back in and everything is reinstalled.